Hey everyone. So is your AEG dishwasher showing the I30 error code and refusing to run? Yeah. That error usually appears when the dishwasher detects water inside the safety tray at the bottom of the machine. But don't worry, in many cases, this issue can be fixed without calling a technician. In this guide, I'll show you several simple ways to fix the AEG dishwasher I30 error in 2026. First, turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power outlet. This step is important for safety before you check anything inside the machine. Sometimes the I30 error appears because of a temporary system glitch, so leave the dishwasher unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and try starting a new wash cycle. The I30 error is usually triggered when the anti-flood system detects water inside the base of the dishwasher, so check around the door seal, hoses, and connections for any visible leaks. If water has collected inside the bottom tray, the anti-flood sensor will keep the dishwasher locked. To fix this, gently tilt the dishwasher slightly forward or to the side to help drain the trapped water. A clogged drain filter can also cause water to build up inside the machine. Open the dishwasher, remove the bottom rack, and check the filter at the base for food debris. Next, check the drain hose behind the dishwasher. If the hose is kinked, blocked, or installed incorrectly, the dishwasher may not drain properly. After completing these checks, plug the dishwasher back in and start a short test cycle. If the machine runs normally and the error code disappears, the issue has likely been resolved. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix the AEG Dishwasher i30 error in 2026. Most of the time, the problem is simply caused by trapped water or a blocked filter. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick appliance repair tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.